Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you all? Hope all of you are in good health. It's me, Sabah, your mathematics teacher for grade 3. Let's start your today's class with the name of Allah. Rabbi shrahli sadri wa yassirli amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. O my Lord, open my chest and ease my task for me. Remove the impediment from my speech so that they may understand what I say. So today we are going to start our chapter number 4, division. And the first topic from division is division using multiplication tables. That is on your book, page number 63. But before going to start our first topic, first we'll define division. That what is division? So division is the reciprocal of multiplication. So as we discussed about multiplication in our previous chapter, so all of you are well aware about multiplication. Now division is the reciprocal of multiplication. How? For example, if you multiply 4 by 2, so what will be the answer? 4 multiplied by 2 equals to 8. So, if you divide this 8 by any of these two numbers, you'll get the other number as our answer. For example, if you divide 8 by 2, you'll get 4 as an answer like this. And if you divide this answer by 4, you'll get 2 as an answer like this. So that is why we said that division is the reciprocal of multiplication. Now, what is the symbol for division? So this is the symbol of division and we called it as divided by. This is the symbol of division and we called it as divided by. Now, let's start our first topic. So the first topic is the simple or short method of division in which we are using the multiplication table to solve the division questions. So basically it is the short or the simple method of division. So look at the first example. What is 45 divided by 9? So this is a short method. That means we are not going through the detailed method or a stepwise method. We just recall the table and we'll solve our question in just one step. So 45 divided by 9. So here what you will have to do to solve this question, you have to recall the table of 9 and you have to stop recalling the table where the product is equals to 45 or nearer to 45. So here you can see we recall the table of 9. So 1 times 9 is 9, 2 times 9 is 18, 3 times 9 is 27, 4 times 9 is 36, 5 times 9 is 45. So I told you that you have to stop recalling the table of 9 where you will get the product 45 because here you need to divide 45 by 9. So how many times 9 equals to 45? Here you can see 5 times 9 is equals to 45. That means if you divide 45 by 9, you will get the answer 5 because 5 times 9 equals to 45. So we'll write our answer like this. Since 5 times 9 equals to 45, so we'll write our answer like this, that 45 divided by 9 equals to 5. So hope you understood that method. So now let's move towards your practice zone. So all of you open your page number 63, practice zone, question number 1. Use multiplication tables to solve the following questions. So question number 1, part A is 48 divided by 6 equals to dash. So here are 6 parts that you have to solve. So let's just start solving part A, that is 48 divided by 6. So let's have a look for its solution. So practice zone, question number 1, part A is 48 divided by 6. So here you can see we have to recall the table of 6 here. We have to divide 48 by 6. That means you have to recall the table of 6. So let's start recalling the table of 6, and where you will get the product 48, you will have to stop recalling the table there. So 1 times 6 is 6, 2 times 6 is 12, 3 times 6 is 18, 4 times 6 is 24, 5 times 6 is 30, 6 times 6 is 36, 7 times 6 is 42, and 8 times 6 is 48. So here you'll stop recalling the table of 6 because here we have our answer, that is 48. How many times 6 equals to 48? 8 times 6 equals to 48. So here we'll write our answer 8. Why we write here 8? Because you can see that here is our answer. 8 times 6 is 48. So that is why we'll write 8 here in our answer. So now so I just solved here question number 1 part A. The other parts is your homework. Part B, C, D, E and F are your homework. So now start solving question number 2. Form multiplication and division sentences with the given numbers. So here are the numbers. So here part A is 8, 72, 9. So you have these 3 numbers. Now what you have to do, as I told you before, that multiplication, division is the reciprocal of multiplication. So here you have these 3 numbers. So first you'll make the multiplication sentence, and then you'll have to make a division sentence by using these given numbers. So let's have a look at how we solve this question. So here we have these 3 numbers. So first we have to make the multiplication sentence. That means you'll multiply these 2 numbers and then you will get the answer 72. For example, it's your choice totally that whether you write 9 first or whether you will write 8 first. Okay, because the answer will be same. Whether you write here 9 multiplied by 8 equals to 72, and also 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 9 is also equals to 72. So no matter whether you write 9 first or 8 first, you will get the answer 72 as a result. So this is the multiplication sentence. Now moving towards the division sentence. So division sentence will be like, first we'll write the number before the sign of division. We'll write the greater number. So here we'll write 72. Now after the sign of division, we'll use or we'll write any of these 2 numbers. If you'll write 8, then you will get the answer 9. And if you'll divide 72 by 9, you will get the answer 8. So it's your choice whether you will divide it by 8 or whether you will divide it by 9. You will get the answer opposite. Okay. Now your homework is to solve part B of question number 2 also. So hope you understood today's lecture. Your home task to do part B, C, D, E and F of question number 1 and part B of question number 2 of page 63 on your book. So best of luck for your home task. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.